Hi everyone, so today we are going to be learning to add two-digit numbers, and to be successful today we are going to be able to recognise the value of two-digit numbers, use pictorial representations to add two numbers, and then show our understanding using our jotting. So that might be pictorially or it might be jotting down some of our number sentences. So we're going to have a quick recap. So we have a look at this symbol. What does this symbol tell us? So it tells us to add, okay? And I want us to have a think about what happens to the number when we use it. So if I had a number problem that was 12 add 5, what would happen to the number 12? Would it increase or would it decrease? It would increase because we are adding. Do you remember the inverse to this symbol, so the opposite? So the inverse is to subtract. Well done. So to start with, before we begin and move on to our adding two-digit numbers, we need to be able to understand what a two-digit number actually is and why it is different to a one-digit number. So below, I've written down two-digit numbers. So here we've got the number 32, 3 tens and 2 ones, or 2 units. And here we've got the number 25, 2 tens and 5 ones. Now if I wanted to represent that number to really show that I understand the value of each digit, I could use my tens and my ones here. So for 3 tens, I could get 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and then I have 2 ones. So I'll grab my 1 1 and 2 ones, and now I can check. I've got 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. I wonder if you could have a go at home now, maybe draw on a piece of paper or have a go on an iPad or something you've got in front of you. Can you have a go at representing 25? So how many tens, how many ones? So hopefully you've drawn something which looks like this, and you should have 2 tens, 10, 20, and 5 ones. So we've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we're going to apply that a little bit more into adding our two-digit numbers. So this is my question. Let's have a read of it. I had 23 sweets and my brother gave me 12 of his. How many do I have all together now? Now that key word there, all together, is telling us that we are going to have to add our important bits of information. So we've got 23 sweets. Let's see if we can make the number 23. 10, 20. How many ones does it have? So it has 3 ones. 21, 22, 23. And we are going to be adding to 23. And what are we going to add to? We're going to add 12 because my brother gave me 12 of his sweets. So how many tens? We've got 1 10. And how many ones? Here, we've got 2 ones. So I have got a number problem represented using my deans, using my my pictures. So if I were to jot down underneath, use my jottings, I would have 23, add 1 10, 2 ones. So add 12. And now I want to find out how many I have all together. So let's count in the tens first. 10, 20, 30. So I could just jot down 30 here somewhere. And then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So 3 tens or 30 and 5 ones. If I added those together, I have got 35. So the answer to my question, how many do I have all together? I have 35 sweets all together. Now what I want you to do is to have a go yourself. So there's a couple of simpler problems there, just have fluency, just to check that you've got a really good understanding of how to add. You can draw your pictures, maybe you could use a piece of paper, use an iPad, and then can you move on to solving a word problem? I would love to see some of your working out, some of your jottings, and you could send them to our school email, either the children@stalbansceacademy.com. That would be great to see some of your learning. Have fun.